Jesus. Sorry. Oh yeah, I think it is doing something now. Sorry.
I can't work under these conditions. Okay, so here we are again. We're in the ensuite, which will become the ensuite to the master cabin in the bow, and is currently the ensuite to the master cabin, which is on the port side. You can see how this bulkhead, as I said, was going to move back, and it's limited by this hatch line. So we're bringing it back about 200 millimetres, and these spacers set the line of the new bulkhead. It runs up, and you can see that the shape of the hull is an interesting shape. There's no straight lines. The straight lines are the fair line is on the outside. So we're making templates to follow that line through, so that when we fiberglass it in, we get a good strong bond for the new bulkhead. The existing one you can see here, so it's well fiberglassed in. We've taken all of this cupboard space out. This just used to be a mirror in here, so you can see there's a lot of volume that could be used for linen cupboards and that sort of thing. This pipework carries, pardon me, the cabling up to the forward cabin and into here for mains power, and also the power supply and the controls for the anchor winch up on the bow. Similarly to that bulkhead, this one will also move back. There's a line there on the floor which shows you where that will come to, and again it's defined by the line of this hatch. These are the limitations that we've had to work within, because they can't move. So this bulkhead will become solid. This door will go, and this area in here marked by these lines will be the shower compartment. The toilet will sit sort of in this general area, and a vanity will be in here, and the line of the door line comes on this line back to about here, and comes across to this line here. So we have it angled at roughly 45 degrees. The services from the toilet and the vanity all have to come down here. There was a plinth on which the old toilet was sitting, and all of the pipes and the cables came up through here. So we will make a mock-up, and we will see how the pipes run, and we may need to have a plinth up here so that we can actually follow the line of the hull down and get down through the floor. This is the actual floor level of this whole compartment. So this has actually been built up quite a bit, and we'll also see where the steps on the other side come to. So there may be a step up into the bathroom to this level, or maybe even this level. So that will become clear as we take this out and we do the mock-ups with the new configuration. You can see there's been water damage in here, where the hatches were leaking when we bought the boat, and you can see that the water damage, all the black in here starts to rot the wood out. So that's all going to be taken out. But essentially, it's very sound. The hull and the deck, they are a commercial hull, and this is one of only maybe two that were made as a pleasure boat. So it does look like a building site at the moment, and which you would expect in this sort of deconstruction phase. But the first step is to get that bulkhead in. Once that goes in, then this one can come out, and then work can proceed on both fronts, both the cabin and the ensuite, and we can start to take this out, and we can get more access, and we can also start to bring this one back, so that we've actually got access in through here as well. So we are currently looking at tiles and vanity tops and basins and all of those fittings as well, so that we're doing the research to know what we're actually going to use before we actually get to the point we need it, so that we can actually build a mock-up and we know that it's all going to fit before we do the final construction. So yeah, lots of work but lots of fun.